All right, what I want to do here is to give you a little bit of help on the AP problem for this week here. That's the bank robbery, where we have a money vault, and I have a sentry bot, a guard bot, and then I have a robber bot. And I won't go through all the dimensions on this; those are on the instruction sheet. But in simple terms, the robber bot needs to travel up here, avoid being in this capture zone at the same time that the sentry bot is. The sentry bot will be going back and forth at a velocity of 10 meters or 10 centimeters per second. Okay, and you get up to here. You're going to pause for 10 seconds, and then you're going to head back and again not be in this box here, in this capture zone box, at the same time as the sentry bot. And then once you clear that, then you get back to the starting position. So again, all the dimensions are on the instruction sheet. I don't need to review that, but if you think about how to solve it, the problem really breaks down to knowing when the sentry bot is here and here. And so you have a window of time when the sentry bot is not in the capture zone. And there's several approaches to do that. One way would be to look at and say, let's make a table. And if I call this zone 1, because I'm going this way, zone 2, and zone 3, I can build it essentially a position versus time. And so let's just put this here, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. And so what do we say? This is 25 centimeters, this first zone here. So it's going to take 2.5 centimeters to travel, 2.5 seconds. So from 0 to 2.5 seconds, I'm in this one. Then 50 centimeters, I'm going to take 5 seconds to go across. And so it leaves zone 2 at 7.5 seconds. So if I could theoretically get there before 2.5 seconds or after 7.5 seconds, I could do it, but you're not going to be able to do that. And then it's going to take another 2.5 seconds to travel to this other end, this other 25 centimeters. Okay, and so that gives me, I'm out here at 10 seconds and I'm finished. So from 7.5 to 10 seconds, I am out of the capture zone. Now I have a 1 second pause before I start back. So we're going to start here at 11. And then we're going to travel 2.5 seconds. That would give me 13.5. Travel 5 seconds through here. That'd be 18.5. And then another 2.5 seconds to go here, which would be, I would be at this end on 21 seconds. My 1 second pause, 22 seconds. And I can keep on building up a table. And then what I would have to do is to find a time interval, okay, that it's not in this capture zone. Obviously, here's a time interval when it's in the capture zone. Here's a time interval when it's in the capture zone. And the other times are free time. So you would program the robot so it would hit this no capture zone in one of these windows when the bot is either here or over here. So that should give you some help. It's a little bit tedious, but it can be done. And then what you're going to deliver is your calculations of how you knew where the robot was, the sentry bot was at given times, and also your calculations for your robber bot, which you can do in a position time graph. Where is the bot? And then you can indicate on there when it is going through the capture zone. And then I also want to know, where is the sentry when the robber bot is in the capture zone. All right, that should give you some help.